Okay, check na natin ang aking ginseng soup. Yan. Chicken with Korean ginseng soup. Yan. O, ayan o. Fresh na Korean ginseng root. Tapos, I boiled with chicken feet and some chicken meat. I'm using the kampong chicken feet and some chicken meat. Kaya, para masarap talaga ang sabaw. Yan. Okay na yan. Luto na. I boiled for about 2 hours now. Kaya, maamoy na talaga yung aroma ng ginseng. Sarap ng sabaw. Mamaya ko na yan tikman. Sigurado namang masarap eh. Oh. Chicken feet with ginseng. Korean ginseng root. Sarap ng sabaw. Paborito ng amo ko yun. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel sa hindi pa nakasubscribe. And to all my subscribers, maraming salamat po. And also sa mga viewers, maraming salamat din po. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for your support. Bye!